Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can pick or choose the avatar on your Google Chrome. All you have to do now, you can open your Chrome. So in this Google Chrome, you can change the profile picture to become an avatar. So let's start by click three dot at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here, as you can see, there are some options that you can adjust or configure. And let's start with the appearance. Here, if you don't see the avatar option, you can try to search on UN Google and try to use this option instead of appearance. So you can customize your Chrome profile. Click it. Then here we go, you can pick an avatar from here. So this is the default profile photo of your account, and this is the avatar. So you can choose what's your favorite. So for example, if you choose one of the avatar, look at the top right corner of your screen. This is your avatar, will be changing immediately. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next